everyone. So, you have just started your journey as an engineering student, and I know it can feel overwhelming with so many things to learn. But don't worry, today we are going to break it down into a simple step by step roadmap that will help you focus, stay consistent, and actually enjoy the process. Think of engineering as building a strong house. First, you need a very solid foundation. This solid foundation will be your programming fundamentals. Then you add up the structure of the house. So this will be your problem solving and data structures. After that, maybe you can decorate with web development, databases, and cloud bases, and do some small projects that will actually make your house shine. But technical skills alone aren't enough. Communication skills, teamwork, and the willingness to keep learning will set you apart. Of course, you have to keep an eye on new technologies that will help you stay future ready. So let's move on one step at a time. By the end of this roadmap, you will exactly understand where to focus, what to focus as a first year engineering student, and how to build your skills for the future. So number one is to get a strong programming fundamental. You need to learn at least one programming language deeply. Either it could be Python, C, C++. Any programming language, focus on data types, control flows, loops, functions, arrays, and pointers for C and C++. Get the basics of the concepts of object-oriented programming well understood. Number two is very, very important for placements and developing a stronger mindset. That is problem solving and data structures. Again, underline, very, very important. You should be very strong in the concepts of arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and hashing. For searching and sorting algorithms, not only for this, for all the concepts, maybe you can practice regularly on LeetCode, HackerRank, and code forces. Maybe one or two or maybe three will be very good. Number three is version control. Try to understand Git and GitHub. Definitely industry standard for collaboration is needed. At the very first level, you can learn how to create commit, push, pull repos. You will get an understanding of how to collaborate on open source projects. Number four is optional, but it will be very useful. You should understand the basics of web development. This will help you to build real projects. You should learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You can do it of your own. Simple front-end framework, Bootstrap like one, and back-end basis like Node.js or Python, Flask, Django, such stuffs. After this, you can try to build projects like to-do list kind of an application or a portfolio website. Number five is you should get a strong foundation on databases. Databases like CRUD operations, basic queries and joins. Maybe you can practice with MySQL or SQLite. Number six is cloud basics. Again, optional but good. Understand cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. Again, optional. After acquiring all these things, you try to build smaller projects. Apply your learning to smaller projects. You can take up projects like personal portfolio management system or simple application blog kind of thing, or a basic data visualizer. Along with it, get accustomed with soft skills and communications, like problem solving mindset, communication clarity, teamwork. Again, you should be willing to work in teams and learn among your team members. I have suggested courses, both free and paid, for you. Maybe you can check out. There might be a question of how to actually track and compensate both curriculum and extra learning. Of course, curriculum is also very important. Extra learning is also important. You can maybe manage curriculum and extra learning hand on hand. For example, if you are learning arrays and linked list, for example, and side by side, if you're learning Python or C++, maybe you can code, practice regularly on lead code or hacker rank the concept of a linked list or a sorting algorithm using C++ or Python or Java, whichever you are convenient with. So take curriculum and extra learning hand on hand so that it will definitely help you. Happy learning. Post comment for any clarifications. Thank you.